everybody. Welcome to another episode of Mita's Wellbeing. I am your host Debushmita Nath, counseling psychologist and graphologist. Before we begin this episode, I would like to thank all the subscribers and viewers for your immense support. Thank you so much. Today's topic is birth order. How birth order influences the personality of a person. If the child is first born, or the child is second born, or the child is middle born, or it's the youngest child. So depending on the position of the birth, depending on the birth order, how it influences the personality of a person, that we will explore in this episode. So if the child is a single child in the family, in that case, when the child will grow up, then the possible personality traits that he or she will have, that is, the person will be caring, the person will be protective, the person will be manipulative, thoda sa manipulative, and the person will also have an attention seeking behavior, will love to get attention from people all around. The person also will be immature in few cases, very sensitive in nature, and also confident. So these are the personality traits of a person if he or she is a single child in the family. Next we are coming, if the child is the elder one in the family. That means he or she comes first in the birth order. So if he or she is the elder son or the elder daughter in the family, then what will be the personality traits as an adult? In that case, the person will be organized, a good planner. He or she will plan things very well and then will proceed towards future. Responsible, matured, sometimes possessive and dominating, and also sometimes there will be a feeling of jealousy. This feeling of jealousy might have cropped from the very childhood when the second child has been born in the family and this elder one has seen that his or her the attention that he or she was getting initially has been shifted, or the focus has been shifted to the younger one. So there from that time the child has developed a feeling of jealousy, which can be a part of the personality, that can form a central trait in the personality. And as an adult also, when the adult feels that somehow the other person is getting more attention, then in that case the person will feel quite possessive and jealous about it. The third one is, if the person is the second child in the family, in that case what will be the personality traits as an adult? So if the person is the second child, in that case he will be a bit rebellious, however confident and outgoing in nature. He will also have a very competitive nature in him. He will always try to compete and will try to prove himself. So that will be the nature as the person will grow up. As the child will grow up, these are the personality traits that will be exhibited in his or her character. If the person is the third child in the family, in that case the child, when will develop as an adult, will exhibit personality traits like patient, the person will be even-tempered, outgoing, sociable, and will try to handle situation, will try to manage situation, will make an effort to handle situation in a positive way. If there is a stress in the family, if there is a stressful situation going on in the job, in his personal relationship, or in the family, he or she will make an effort to handle them quite effectively. So that's the characteristics of a person if the person is the third born in the family. Now coming to the youngest one, if you are the youngest one in your family, I think you all can, most of you can relate rather with this, because we all know that the youngest means the most pampered one, the most loved one. So yes, the youngest one will be love, pampering, attention seeking behavior उसमें होगा. The person will be feeling less confident as an adult, will have a weak decision power comparatively, sometimes feel inferior, sociable, charming, outgoing, and the communication skill in such people will be quite good. They will have a very good communication skill. So this is it. Let me know in the comment section that how many of you can relate with it. What is your birth order? What are the characteristics that match with your personality? Now, depending on the birth order today I have discussed. Now, it's not only that the personality is only influenced by the birth order. There are a lot more things. There are genetic factors. There are environmental factors. There are experiences in one's life. So there are also influence of parenting. So there are a lot more things actually that influence our personality. But birth order is also one of the important factors that today I have discussed. So these are all generalized traits that I have discussed. People may exhibit something different than this also, or it may be like this, that all the traits are not present in the same person, but more or less it's a generalized view on the birth order and the personality traits. I hope you have liked this episode and most of you will be able to relate with it, I guess. If you have liked today's episode, please hit the like button, share and subscribe if you are viewing the channel for the first time. Do let me know in the comment section about your problem or any other topic that you want me to discuss. My mail ID is also given in the description box. If you experience any kind of emotional problem, do let me know, and I will be discussing the solution of that problem in the next episode. Thanks for watching.